everybody, I am Deepayon Mondal and I am currently a first year undergraduate student of mechanical engineering at Jadavpur University. In this video, I shall be telling you about the top engineering entrance exams other than JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So this video is extremely useful for those students who will be writing their entrance exams for engineering in the upcoming year, that is 2024. So the exams that I shall be speaking about in this video are WBJEE, BITSAT, VIT EEE, MHT CET, Comet K, MET, KIT EE, SRM JEE, EMCET and GUTSET. For each exam I shall be telling you about the maximum marks, time limit, marking scheme, top institute that comes under that particular exam, and the target score or rank that you must have for entry into the top institute under that particular exam. So let's start. First comes WBJEE, marks is 200, time limit is 2 hours for mathematics paper and 2 hours for physics and chemistry paper. Marking scheme is +1, +2, -0.5, -0.25 and 0. So as you can understand, this is a very complicated marking scheme. Various kinds of marks are awarded for various kinds of questions. Since it is a complicated marking scheme, I shall bring an exclusive video on WBJEE in the near future. The top institute that comes under this exam is Jadavpur University. The target rank that you must have if you are a homestead student, that is if you are a WB student, is 4000 for entry into this university and 150 if you are particularly interested in CSE department. And for outside state students, you must target a rank of 2000. In other words, you must try to come within 2000. When I am saying that your target should be 4000, that doesn't mean that you should bring a rank of 4000. I mean you should come within 4000. That is what I am trying to say. For example, here for CSE I have written target should be 8000 rank. That doesn't mean that you should bring 8000 rank. You should try to come within 8000 rank. I hope you have got my point here. Next comes BITSAT. Marks is 390, time limit is 3 hours. Marking scheme is +3 for each correct answer, -1 for each incorrect answer. Top institute is BITS Pilani. Target is 320 marks for CSE department of BITS Pilani and 200 marks for entry into this particular institution. Again, I am not saying that for entry you must bring 200 marks. You should of course bring 200 plus marks. But what I am trying to say is you should not bring below 200 marks. Next is VIT EEE. Marks is 125, time limit is 2.5 hours. Marking scheme is +1 for each correct answer, 0 for incorrect answer. So no negative marking. Top institute is VIT Vellore. Target is 8000 for CSE department of this particular institution and 25,000 for entry into this particular institution. I hope this target is not misinterpreted. MHT CET. Marks is 200, time limit is 2.5 hours. Marking scheme is +1 for each correct answer and 0 for each incorrect answer as far as physics and chemistry paper is concerned. For mathematics paper, +2 for each correct answer and 0 for each incorrect answer. Top institute, College of Engineering, Pune. The target should be 99.92 percentile for CSE department of this particular college and 97.45 percentile for entry into this particular college. Now, I am not telling you what happens if you leave a question unattempted. Now that is common sense. If you leave a question unattempted, you will of course not be given any marks. Neither will any marks be deducted from you. So I am not repeating it again and again because that is common for all these exams. Comet K, marks is 180, time limit is 3 hours. Marking scheme is +1 for each correct answer and 0 for incorrect answers. Top institute is Ramaya Institute of Technology. Target is 600 for CSE department of this particular institute and 15,000 for entry into this particular institute. Next comes MET. Marks is 240. Time is 2 hours. Marking scheme is +1 for each correct answer and -1 for each incorrect answer. Top institute is Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. Target should be 1050 rank for CSE department of this particular institution and 45,000 for entry into this particular institution. Next is KEET EE. Marks is 480. Time is 3 hours. Marking scheme is +4 for each correct answer and -1 for each incorrect answer. Top institute is KEET Bhubaneswar and target is 5,000 for CSE department of this particular institution and 25,000 for entry into this institution. SRM JEE. Marks is 375. Time is 2.5 hours. Marking scheme is +3 for each correct answer and 0 for incorrect answer. Top institute is SRM University, Chennai. Target is 7,000 for CSE department of this particular institution and 65,000 for entry into this particular institution. EMCET. Marks is 160. Time limit is 3 hours. Marking scheme is +1 for each correct answer and 0 for each incorrect answer. Top institute is JNTU, Hyderabad. Target is 500 for CSE and 55,000 for entry into this particular university. GUTSET. Marks is 120. Time limit is 3 hours. Marking scheme is +1 for each correct answer and -0.25 for each incorrect answer. Top institute is Institute of Technology, Nirma University. Target is 300 for CSE department of this particular university and 10,000 for entry into this particular university. Now, one thing that I want to mention before I end the video is that the target that I mentioned over here is with respect to general category students. As we all know, for reserved category students, the cutoff goes even lower. So please adjust your cutoff accordingly. You can decrease maybe 2,000, 3,000 from these ranks, or from these 3-digit ranks you can decrease maybe 100. Okay, say for example, if a general category student needs 300 for CSE department, then a reserved category student can also get entry into the CSE department of this particular university at say a rank of 600 or 700. In this way you can adjust your target accordingly. But see, I do not want to create any discrimination. All the students must target this. Whether you belong to general category or reserved category, it doesn't matter. Please try to come within this. Then you will be on the safest side. Understood? Please do not set a very easy target for you. That will not be helpful in the long run. And another thing that I want to point out is that the target is in the form of marks only for BITSAT. For all the other exams, the targets that I mentioned are ranks. And another exception that I can see here is MHT CET, where target is mentioned in the form of percentile. Actually, this is how these exams declare their results. Some exams declare percentile, some exams declare just ranks, some exams declare scores. So that's how I have written over here. That's how I have shown you the data. I hope you have got a fair idea of all these exams. From this video, I think you have understood that your opportunities are not narrow. You have got multiple options. You just are not dependent on JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So there is no point in taking so much of stress that if I do not qualify JEE, then what will happen? You should know that there are multiple other opportunities for you. So study in a stress-free manner. Study sincerely for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. If you study sincerely for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, then you can easily qualify all these exams. But keep your options open. Alright, study in a stress-free manner. That was exactly what I wanted to tell you in this video. That's why I showed you all the exams which you have other than JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Since you have got these many options, you must not take any stress for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. But your target, your ultimate target should be JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, of course. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in some other video. Bye.